ko kai rāna ki te maunga, ko tuki me Ngātoro ngā awa, ko Ngāti hori te hapu, ko upātiki te marae, no ngā te kaununu, kaitahu, Ngāti tūwharito, ko Chasi Karenun tōku ingoa. I studied physical education at Otago, and currently I am in hopefully my last year of my PhD, specialising in Māori physical activity and health. But my kaupapa is around reconnecting whānau to our ancestral landscape, so to our maunga, our awa, our marae, and understanding its influence on our well-being. When I applied for the Growing the Puna internship, it was just an opportunity for me to kind of expand and get some experience within the sector that I was very much interested in. It felt empowering to be able to kind of just express yourself as a young Māori. Ka tipuna can inspire me on a day that I feel like not doing some writing. I'm capable of this position because of what they've done. So they've paved, they've given me the blueprint, and I'm privileged to be in the position and I can do it.
Ko kahurana ki te maunga, ko Ngātoro, moko tūraro ki rangatira te awa. Ko takitumu te waka, ko Ngāti Pōporo te hapu. Ko Ngāti kahununu rawa ko Hamoa o ku iwi, ko Peter Cowan tōku ingoa. My studies are in Bachelor Sport and Exercise Science. I'm currently still finishing my degree as we speak. I love being active because I feel a deep connection with the environment, and also I get to learn while I'm outside, mainly about what's going on around me and pretty much how significant the environment is compared to myself.
The partnership with Toi Tangata and Te Papa Tākaro is for Te Papa Tākaro to look at what are outdoor, Te Arawa centred recreational kaupapa would look like. That approach was using Te Arawa centred kōrero, connecting to different environmental spaces of Te Arawa through the journey of Ngātoroirangi and that connection to Tarawera. The activities that we participated in was hīkoi up to Tarawera, a mountain bike ride, and that was through the redwoods by the Tarawera walkway. After that we did like a 15k trek from the Papakainga on Himo Road all the way to the hot beach. So the learnings from that particular wānanga, I guess, is knowing that it can get done. You don't have to be prepared because you're there for the kaupapa and you're there for the kōrero. And to be privileged or privy to Te Arawa kōrero when you are not from Te Arawa, you will do what you can to give it justice. I encourage our rangatahi to be fearless. I encourage our rangatahi to know who you are. And if you don't know who you are, find out who you are. Whakapapa has a way of finding you. Let it find you. Being connected, having a good relationship with your Taiao, with your whānau, it helps you, articulate your passion, but it also enables you to come and deliver yourself from a deep empathy and deep compassion for what you want for your people.